Hey guys, it's your friendly neighborhood trainer here, Shannon, and today I'm going to talk about foam rolling out the lat muscle group. So the lat muscle group is a very important muscle group to lengthen and relax because it directly affects your mobilization of your spine, your arms, and your neck. So you're really going to feel a lot better if you get this muscle group into shape. So without further ado, here we go. This is foam rolling out your lats. So grab your trusty foam roller and place this across your lat muscle. If you don't know, the lat muscle is on the lateral side of your torso. It's the largest muscle group in the upper body, and it runs from your shoulder to your mid to lower spine. So it's a very big muscle group and important that you foam roll this out. I always run over the muscle a good 5 to 10 times until I feel like it's loosened up a bit so that I can start on it. I like to use my top leg here to stabilize and balance myself, and also to roll myself up and down as needed. So I'll always start about 5 inches below the armpit, so you can kind of figure that out, and move your way up until you find a sensitive spot. If you don't find a spot right away, don't worry, start over and try again. Sometimes it takes a little to find a spot. And once you find it, stay there for 30 seconds and really try to relax your arm so that the muscle doesn't tense up. You'll know when the muscle is relaxed when you really feel this relaxing sensation at the end. Once you do, then you know it's time to switch the other side and repeat. Alright guys, thanks for watching, for anybody who watched, and if you have any recommendations on which muscle group you'd like to see next for foam rolling, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video with the next muscle group. Thanks for watching. Bye.